Hello friends and welcome back to LS Kid Zone. Today, Dude 1 is going to do a toy review of Bluey, and Bluey is going to play hide and go seek with some friends, so make sure you stick around and see who they are.
This episode of Bluey is called Talk About Bluey. So, are you're a blue dog? Yes, I am. I don't know. Let's, okay. Well, I have a tail. Are you a cat? No. I'm a dog. Oh. Okay. There's a big old me at Target. Dad, Dude 1 wants that for his next patch of stickers. Wow. This guy Dude 1 has everything. Yeah. For this patch of stickers, he's getting hide and seek Scooby-Doo. And then for his next patch of stickers, he's getting the big ol' me. Wow. Well, I must be going to find Shadowmax. No, Tigo. No, he could be, or maybe he's shoved under the sink. He couldn't be, no, but he never been shoved under the sink. Okay. That doesn't mean he's shoved under the sink. Well, I gotta go comb my hair. Ow, that always goes. Done. Now, time for the nail polishing. Now, time to eat. Time for lunch. Oh, time for lunch. Wooly. Wooly. Hey, there's a big old hill. Now, what was I doing? Oh yeah, looking for Shadowmax. Where could Shadowmax be? This is a wonderful day, isn't it, guys? Yeah.
Hi everybody, I'm Batgirl. Thanks for having me over to play. This looks like fun.
Yeah. Let's play hide and seek. Yay!
Yay, I'm excited. Hide and seek's my favorite game.
This episode of Bluey is called Hide and Seek.
Okay, Bluey, you count to 10 and Minnie and Batgirl will go hide.
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3. Hang on a minute. Bluey, we'll only hide if you don't forget you're looking for us. I never done that.
Yes, you have.
Okay. Now go. 1, 2.
I'm gonna hide behind the house here in the corner.
I'm gonna hide, ready or not, here I come. Now, where could they all be hiding? They're hiding really good. Anyone in here? Bobby, Clara! Shadowmax! I thought I lost you. Feed me. You're hungry, Shadowmax. Feed me. Feed me. I like to feed you, but I gotta get playing hide and seek. Feed me. Oh, thanks. I'll just give you one quick little feed. Now, feed me. I wonder why you were shoved under the sink. Now, where are those things you eat? Oh, I'm hungry. Shadowmax, I know, I'm looking. Found you. Shadow snacks. Yum, 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 yum. Now I gotta get back to play. Party! Oh, Shadow Max. Party! There you go. You do your toy. Oh, check the Max. Now, what was I doing again? Bagu! Oh, Shadow Max has given me help to wash his hands. There you go. Yes, it's very interesting. Wash. There you go, Shadow Max. No Jones. Now, what was I doing again? Ah, I forgot what I was doing. I'll just play with you instead. Oh, it's so nice to see you again, Polly. I want to hear all about your day to Egypt. Oh yes, it was wonderful. Would you like some milk with your tea? Oh yes, please. There you go, Polly. And what about you, Gerald? Shut up, Max. This is a tea party, not a dank party. Stop, Max. Stop. Batgirl, Minnie, can you take out Shadow Max's batteries? Batgirl. Why didn't anyone answer me? Oh, Shadow Max. That's enough. Where could they all be? Okay, I need to figure this out. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Found you. Wait. Found you.
Yay, Bluey, you found us! Did you forget about us?
Would you believe I got distracted and forgot we were playing hide and seek?
You never!
Oh, yeah. Oh, I sure did. Okay. I'll count. 1, 2, 3. Let's hide. I'm gonna hide behind you. But you're not, here we come. So, what you do with Shadow Max? I put him in a very simple spot, Batgirl. Maybe they're in here. Maybe Bluey's in here. Ah! Found you! Now, what was I doing? But yeah, I was liking and subscribing. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.